Question 24. There are 40 people at a meeting. Each person travelled to the meeting either by car or by train. 13 of the people are male. 10 females travelled by train. 8 males travelled by car. Work out the total number of people who travelled by car. Now this is a bit of a logic problem, this one, because we've got a lot of information that we're going to have to sort out. And the way I prefer to do this is to put it into a table. Specifically, a two-way table, because that way we can compare men and women and train and car. You're comparing two lists of information. Across the top, I'm going to want to show men and women as a column, and down the side, the modes of transport. So using this noughts and crosses style grid, I'm going to have male and female across the top. It doesn't matter where you do this, but I'm going to have two lists. A list for men, a list for women. And then down the side, I want a list of car travel and train travel. Drawing this table just helps to keep our ideas organised. Now we know that 13 of the people are male, so whatever number we've got, it's got to add up to 13 in this column. We're also told that there are 10 females who travel by train. So train females are 10, and 8 males travelled by car. Work out the total number of people who travelled by car. So what we're looking for here is the total value of this row. To work that out, we're also told that there are 40 people. So all of our numbers across this way, our total number of people has to equal 40 in both directions. So let's see what information we can work out from this. Well, we know that the males have to equal 13. We've already got 8 by car, so what that means is that the missing number here must be the men who travel by train, so that's 5. Now we know exactly how many people have travelled by train. There are 5 and 10, which means 15 people travelled by train, which is the last piece of information we actually need. Because to work out how many people travelled by car, this value here, we've got something, add 15 is 40, so 40 subtract 15, borrow 10 from this column, 10 take away 5 is 5, 3 take away 1 is 2, so our missing value must be 25. So the answer to our question is 25 people came by car. You don't need any more of the information, but the rest of this could be filled in very easily just by saying, right, if I've got 25 people, that means that 17 must have been women who came by car. 17 add 10 is 27 women in total. 13 add 27 is 40. Just shows that all the numbers still match up.